welcome to this really quick tutorial of how to draw eyes with pastels. I'm putting in the basic values that I see, so I'm just marking the highlight, getting some black and brown around the edges to make it look more round, and then I see earth green and I put some ochres. And so I'm blending periodically, and also I'm using the earth green a lot to blend with this. For the last couple of layers, I am using my lighter colors like yellow ochre, white, and cream, and I'm making my strokes pointing toward the pupil. Now the second eye of this husky is blue, so instead of using warm colors like brown in the initial layer, I'm using dark indigo, other blues, and finally black. But you don't use black just by itself because it looks flat if you use it by itself. So I put down some blues. The center is going to be darker, and so once I had that, I blended it out. And then I started making the little strokes that go toward the pupil. I'm making sure to only use cool colors for this, so I'm not using any warm grays. I'm picking out the cold grays. I'm using the soft pastel for highlights because it's a lot brighter than the pastel pencil could ever get. So thanks for watching, and please like and subscribe if you liked the video.